Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Today is September, ano na ngayon? September 16? Yeah, September 16, Saturday. Okay. By the way, follow nyo ako sa Instagram, Ponum Magus, kasi siguro mamayang gabi or bukas ng hapon or gabi, magpapahula ako ng libre. Okay? So, if you want a free reading, gusto mo ng libreng hula, papahula kayo. Libre lang siya sa Instagram during live streaming. Okay? Wala pong personal private reading kasi mahirap yung ganun, tawag nun, access sa oras, and then, mabigat ang energy. But anyways, alright, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating fire signs today at sa mga susunod na araw? Paalala lang sa lahat, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat ng mga nununood. So, just take what resonates in your situation and leave out the rest. Alright, fire signs. You have, baliktad, the Eight of Cups. It looks like they have this feeling of abandonment. Iniwan ka ba or may iiwan ka? It seems like you're walking away, you're feeling disappointed about a situation. Nanlulumo ka lately or ngayon or sa susunod na araw. Let's see. King of Cups, mukhang tungkol to sa pag-ibig. May umalis, may aalis. Okay? Some of you are dealing with someone who's maybe a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, who has some sort of, meron siyang emotional immaturity. Emotionally immature person, yung iba sa inyo. Toxic person, medyo toxic siya, kaya maybe iniiwasan mo siya kasi although mahal mo itong tao na to, para ngayon, is either siya ang umiiwas or ikaw. For some of you, it's either siya ang umiiwas sa'yo at ngayon nadidisappoint ka. Feeling mo inambando na ka, iniwan ka ng tao na to. This person might already be a father figure, may anak na. If hindi naman to lalaki, babae, iniwan ka or iiwan ka, something like that, or iiwan mo. Okay? Two of Swords, meron kang pinag-iisipang desisyon ngayon kung aalis ka sa kanya or iiwan mo nga siya or hindi. Yeah. Some of you are avoiding a conversation. Ayaw mo makipag-usap sa tao na to. O ayaw mo siyang kausapin. Three of Cups. Because there's a third party situation. Okay. Nine of Coins. Page of Swords. The High Priestess. And the Fool. Okay. The bottom of this deck, you have the Page of Coins. I really do feel na for a lot of you fire signs, starting today, sa mga susunod na araw, there's an opportunity for you na magkapera. Page of Coins. Okay? This could be a business opportunity na may perang darating. Okay? This could be related to business, career, or anything related to money. Okay? With regards to, I see you walking away, fire signs. You are focusing on your well-being. You are focusing now on you, or you will be. I think magpo-focus ka na lang sa business mo, sa sarili mo, sa mental health mo, sa kaperahan mo. I feel like you are you're choosing a different path na mag-isa, and you are gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Yeah. I see you thriving. You're gonna be great with the Nine of Coins. You're gonna be financially independent. Okay? I see you walking away from a water sign, a strong water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could also be an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, yung iba sa inyo. Now, itong tao na to ngayon lang, lately or recently or sa susunod na mga araw, i-stalk ka niya. Okay? Mag-i-stalk siya sa'yo sa social media. It's either gusto kanyang kausapin, may gusto siyang sabihin sa'yo, maybe mahal ka pa rin niya, maybe nagsusorry na siya, okay, maybe nagsusorry siya na pumunta siya sa iba. Okay, this person is trying to get some information about you. Kung ano nang nangyayari sa'yo. Maybe this is a past person for some of you. This person wants to talk. Gusto ko niyang kausapin. Possibly because meron pa rin siyang nararamdaman. Now, ngayon naman, meron kang pinag-iisipan na desisyon with regards to anything. I don't know. It could be love. It could be with your career, regarding your career, money, whatever your decision is, kung ano man yan, kung nahihirapan kang pumili ng desisyon, ang sabi ng spirit guides, trust your intuition and listen to your gut feelings. Ano ba ang binubulong ng, ano ba ang kutob mo? Okay? Yeah, trust your instinct. Kung darating sa sitwasyon na pipili ka ng, kailangan mong pumili ng desisyon, ayan, pakinggan mo daw yung kutob mo. Okay, your instinct. You have the Three of Cups and the Fool. I see you going out with friends in the next few days. I see you having good time with friends. Yeah, you are being carefree. I feel like this is something that you are looking forward to in your life. You're not much focused on, you don't wanna, ayaw mo nang mag-focus muna sa love. Tama ba? Kasi lately, or in the past, ang dami mong pinagdaanan with regards to love and relationship. Now, you just want to focus on yourself. You want to have a good time with friends, going out, enjoying yourself with the Fool. Look at this. Look at the energy of this woman. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're a woman or a man. Okay, picture lang yan. But I definitely see you thriving, okay, moving on. If not, mahirap mag-move on, di madali mag-move on, but you're trying to move on. I see you parang, but definitely, you are focusing on yourself, and that's most important. You are, parang, pinapriority mo na ngayon ang sarili mo, or gagawin mo yan. Okay, this is, some sort of kapalaran, di ba? Prediction. So, I see you heading towards that. Self-indulgence. Happiness with friends. Yeah. You are looking forward to new beginnings, and new beginnings will happen for you. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm also an Aries rising, so I want to claim this energy. I love this energy. Three of Cups and the Fool. This is you parang carefree, wala kang iniisip, walang nanggugulo, walang maggulo, okay? Just enjoying your friends, yan, going out with friends, having parties, traveling maybe, ganyan. It's beautiful. Page of Coins. I definitely see you focusing on your money. Maybe you are starting or planning to start a new business, and it would lead to your financial stability, strong foundation. Yeah, so go for it. Yan ang advice. Now, let's get one card from your spirit guides for any more messages or gabay. Okay? Medyo paos ang boses ko, napapansin niyo guys. That means na pagod ako lately. Especially kahapon, ang daming orders. Ayan, puyat na puyat kami. But anyway, I'm so grateful. You have dietary change. Maybe you are changing your diet, eating more healthier foods, ganyan. Yeah, you are looking, or maybe this is something that you need to look out. Parang maybe this is something that kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin. Okay, maganda, tama ba ang mga kinakain mo? Healthy ba? Healthy foods ba ang tinitake mo? Are you taking any food supplements, vitamins? Ayan. Improve your diet and your life will also improve. Tama yan. Di ba may kasabihan tayo na you are what you eat? Yeah. Not literally, like if you eat a pig, magiging pig ka. But I'm saying like, you are what you eat means kung anong kinakain mo, magre-reflect yan sa katawan natin. Di ba? If you're eating healthy foods, syempre magiging healthy ka. But if you're eating or ingesting like mga toxic, mga nakakasama sa katawan, yan, malaking epekto yun sa katawan natin. So maybe there's something that kailangang pagtuunan ng pansin this few days ahead or the next few days or starting today. Ayan. But I see you definitely talking with people and enjoying because you know what? These flowers surrounding these two women, okay, it doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. Maybe you're talking to your friends lifts up your mood, diba? Nakakagaan ng pakiramdam yung meron kang nakakausap, you know, having conversations, good conversations with your friends is really healthy. So it's very important to choose our friends, okay? Choose healthy friends. Hindi yung mga toxic. But anyways, ayan. So fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, yan po ang kapalaran, gabay at mensahe sa'yo today at sa mga susunod na araw. Now, bago ko i-end yung video, gusto ko lang i-announce, okay? So naghahanap ng solusyon if naghiwalay kayo ng partner mo, okay? If you want na magkaayos kayo, this is not limited to love life. This could also be with your family, friends, ayan, love and relationship. So, relationship, any kind of relationship. Mother, nag-away kayo ng erpat mo, ng mama mo, ng mga kapatid mo. Maybe gusto mo magkaayos na kayong lahat, pamilya, magkakapatid. Okay, love and relationship repair jar, okay? Para magkaayos na. 290 pesos. Pa-screenshot ako sa may gusto and then message me sa Facebook page Bonum Magus, okay? Sa naghahanap ng hustisya. Okay? Papakita ko sa yung difference ng white tsaka black candle na sealed. Okay, medyo umalis tayo, pumunta tayo sa kabilang room. Andito ako sa kabilang room. Ayan. Papakita ko lang sa inyo guys, mga madam at sir, ang kaibahan ng white pag magsisealed kayo ng white or black candle. Ito yung sa black. Di ba ang ganda din ng black? Okay? Ayan, may sinulat na akong name dyan. Kung sino yung, sa akin to personally. Okay? Ayan. See the difference? Black and white. Ano nang mas maganda? Para sa akin, maganda yung black. Okay? Ayan. So, justice spell jar, kung naghahanap kayo ng hustisya, ginawang kayo ng masama, okay, gusto nyong somewhat makagante, and syempre the word justice, di ba? Kailangan ng hustisya. Hustisya ang hinahanap mo. Okay? Kailangan maliksyonan yung mga ganyan. I'm a sorceress, by the way. Okay? I'm not a witch. Okay? A sorceress can be good or bad. Okay? Tandaan nyo yan. Okay? Parang si Duterte, di ba? President Duterte, ang daming sasabi bad siya dahil pumapatay siya ng mga rapist, mga drug addict. Itama lang naman kasi, alam mo guys, para ding pumatay ka ng devil, pumatay ka ng masasamang di ba? Madaming ipokrito sa mundo. Alam niyo kung bakit? Idol natin, mga Wonder Woman, Justice League, Superman, pumapatay naman sila ng mga bad guys. 'Di ba? Sinusuntok nila yung mga taong, mga kalaban nila. O anong pananaw mo sa mga kalaban? O 'di ba? Kasi kung good talaga sila all the way, kahit pag gumawa ng kasalanan yung mga bad, di na nila susuntukin. O, di wala nang movies. O, 'di ba? Si Batman, sino pang mga hero, si Superman, O, di ba, pinapatay nila yung mga bad sa movie. O, parang ganun din yun. Di ba? Si President Duterte. Sa mga maka-Duterte dyan, ni Tatay Digong, di ba? Ang daming galit na galit sa kanya, mga human rights. Kasi, mga human rights. Eto. Parang ganito rin yun sa Justice Peljar. What if na-rape yung anak mo? Na-rape yung anak mo, pinatay yung mga magulang mo, ninakawan, sinaksak pa. Ang mahirap kasi sa Pilipinas, yung hustisya unfair kasi, di ba? I don't wanna name names, may mga politiko, pagdating sa politiko, daming kurako, daming mga eche. But anyways, what I'm saying is, paano makakamit ng hustisya yung mga taong mahirap lang? Mamaya, mga middle, yung hindi makabayad. Tapos nakita mo, nang lumo kasi yung nang rape sa anak mo, nakalabas, nalaya. Kasi nga, nakapiyansa, whatever, mayaman siguro, or whatever, may kaya, okay, nakalusot. Diba napaka-unfair nun? Tapos, mamaya, hindi mo alam, mayroon na naman siyang na-rape, katulong niya, or whatever, kasi sanay na siya. That kind of justice, diba? So, saan ang hustisya dyan? Di ilagay na lang natin siya dito sa pangalan para ganun yun, okay? Ayan. By the way, hindi siya magkakaroon ng visa if ikaw naman ang may kasalanan. O gusto mo lang gumante. Gusto mong gumante kasi, I don't know, gusto mo lang kasi galit ka. Well, ang magja-judge niyan si Goddess Hecate and the rest si Archangel Uriel and Raphael and Archangel Gabriel. Kung sinong deities or archangel ang mag-handle nito while we performing the ritual. Okay? Ayan. Sila ang magja-judge. You can send your request through this. Okay? Ayan. So, naghahanap ng love life. May problema sa love life. Okay? This is Love and Attraction Spell Jar. Okay? Take a screenshot and isend nyo sa akin sa Facebook page, Bono Magos. Okay? Bono Magos. Ma'am, pabili ako ng love attraction. Sa naghahanap ng AFAM. Namumblema. Paano kaya din ako makakahanap ng AFAM? Gusto ko ng AFAM. 290 pesos lang. Maka-attract ka ng AFAM. Sa namumblema sa money. Sa pera dyan. Financial blockages removal and money spell jar. Okay? 850 pesos. Ang dami kong mga ganang feedbacks dito, mga madam and sir. Okay? Take a screenshot and then message me. Okay? Ayan. Naghahanap ng protection sa kulam, yung kinulam yung pamilya mo, you need this. Tag-isang person lang ha. Anti-kulam healing and protection necklace. This 1,000 pesos. Ayan siya, bato. Okay, iba-iba yung design niya. Ito yung sa akin, malaki yan. Tignan mo naman. Sa kamay ko, malaki yan ha. 1,000 pesos. Ang bigat nito, promise. This is a pure black tourmaline stone. Okay? May bisa yan, may power yan. Lahat ng feedbacks ko, mga madam, okay, mahanap nyo sa Facebook page, Bono Magos. Okay. Sinumpa ba ang pamilya mo? May sumpa sa pamilya nyo? You need this ancestral curse healing necklace. This is 1,900. Mga madam, bakit ang mahal? Mahal tanggalin ang mga sumpa sa inyong angkan. Ang mahal tanggalin. Okay, malakas na power ang kailangan dyan. Malakas na ritual ang kailangan dyan. You are giving me money for energy because in exchange of energy, okay? Ayan. So, naghahanap ng pampaswerte. Good luck charm. Nag-iisa na lang to, okay? You have aquamarine for inspiration, moonstone for new beginnings, and citrine for confidence. 850 pesos. Take a screenshot and then message me sa Facebook page, Bonum Magos. Okay? So, pag nandun ka na rin sa Facebook page, tingin-tingin ka na rin sa mga feedbacks. Alright? So, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, yan lang po. Maraming salamat. I'll see you bukas. And ingat. God bless. More power. Paalam!